In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in Microsoft Word Online in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating on a project, finalizing a report, or just doing some personal writing, being able to tweak your documents online can streamline your workflow significantly. So, let's jump right in. To begin, you'll need to start by navigating to Microsoft's official website. Once there, you'll see a variety of options and features that Microsoft offers. But our primary focus today is to access Microsoft Word Online. So, locate and click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial because to access your documents and make edits, you must be logged into your Microsoft account. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take your time and make sure you're entering the email associated with your Microsoft account correctly. Any typos could prevent you from logging in successfully. Once you've entered your email, you'll proceed to the next step, which involves entering your password. Password security is paramount, so hopefully you've picked something that's both secure and memorable. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there are options to reset it. But assuming you remember, go ahead and feed your password into the designated field. Next up is a critical step for security. Clicking Next might prompt you with a question asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking Yes can save you some time in the future by skipping these login steps. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it might be safer to skip this for now to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, you're in, but navigating Microsoft's ecosystem can be a bit confusing, especially if you're new to this. Look for the waffle icon, Microsoft's quirky term for the app launcher. Click on it and a menu with various applications and services will appear. You're looking for Word, which when found, click on it. This action brings you into the Word Online interface, a streamlined version of the classic Word application designed for web use. Here's where the real fun begins. You should now see a dashboard with your recent documents, or you can opt to create a new one. Choose a document to edit and it will open in a new tab ready for you to start making changes. The interface is intuitive, with most of the familiar tools and options available at the top ribbon, ready for you to format text, add comments, and so on. While editing, remember a few key differences between the online and desktop versions of Word. For instance, some advanced formatting options might not be available online. However, for most daily tasks, Word Online has you covered. You can type directly into the browser window, use spell check features, and even collaborate in real time with colleagues or friends, provided you share the document with them. Once you've made your necessary changes, Word Online autosaves your document, ensuring you won't lose any progress if your internet connection drops or if you need to switch devices. This seamless saving feature is a lifesaver, especially during long editing sessions. And that, my friends, wraps up our quick guide on how to edit in Microsoft Word Online. It's straightforward when you know the steps, right? Don't forget, being proficient with these online tools can significantly boost your productivity and collaboration abilities. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves being organized, mastering Word Online is a skill worth having. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy editing and see you in the next video.